So I have an opening balance of the accounts receivable is 250, which is actually in my accounts list, which is also in my general ledger. And we have learned that whatever we have on our schedule, it should match with the control accounts. Just like in detail, I have Mary and John owing me those individual amounts, but in total, okay, that 250 should be my control account, which is what I've got. I'm showing you on my screen. Okay, so I have to actually enter those details into Myo. So how do I do that? So what you do, you go into setup, okay, so and then go into the balances, and you go into the customer balances, which is basically accounts receivable schedule. That's what it is, okay? And you should have nothing there at the moment, okay, because all of you have not started with this. So you need to make sure that you have those accounts, the card. If you don't, I teach you an easy way. You can actually do this. Click on this little arrow, gray arrow, and then it says look for. Type in the name of the accounts receivable. So in my case, it's Mary. I know I've got many of Mary there. That's okay. So then you have to press Easy Add. Okay, you press Easy Add there, and then it goes there up there for you. And then you press Add Sales. Okay, so you're registering the accounts receivable subsidiary. Okay, then you just go to 1st of the June 2015 because that is the start date, okay, of your assignment. And then you just include the GST, which is what I've got on my board there. Okay, nobody's got the same data. I'm just hypothetically giving you some information on the board, so let's show you how this works. Make sure the text code there is selected. GST is selected for the text code, and you press record. Do the next one. You should have, I think, 3 on your schedule. Okay, I've only put 2 there. So again, going back, so that arrow there, make sure under the look for, type in your debtor's name. Okay, in my case, this time it's John. Easy Add, and yeah, make sure you press Easy Add. Don't click Use Customer, and then Add Sales. And John is there. There we go. Tap, tap, tap across. Make sure it's 1st of June, and the total, including GST, is for me is 150. And GST. Look what happens when I click on this. Congratulations. Okay, which you should have, because what it's saying is that all these schedule, these debtors balances matches up with your control account in the general ledger. So then it gives you this message. This is great. And you shouldn't have a problem with your schedule not reconciling with your control account, because we spent the first 2 weeks of the semester trying to, I checked all of your work. Okay, so it should be fine. Okay, now, how do you do the accounts payable? Remember, we also have accounts payable. All right, so I haven't got it on the board, but I'll show you how to do it here. Again, go into setup, balances. Now this time for the accounts payable, you need to go into the supplier balances. Now you should have 6 of those, okay? 6 on your list. Same thing, little arrow, look for, so you should have like Pearson, Discount Warehouse, the wholesaler, and those multiple suppliers that you've purchased staff benefits from, okay? I'm gonna make up one, so it's called BTF or whatever, okay? So Easy Add, and Add Purchase. So this one is Add Purchase rather than Add Sales. Tap across, make sure you change the date, and tap, 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 okay? 300. Yeah, I'm making this up. Record. Congratulations, okay? Because I only had $300 in control. So, yeah, so that's all you have to do. You do that for your accounts receivable and payable, okay? Once you've done that, that would be the end of the session, okay? So that your focus is to do that today for Myo.